let's begin with the letter L. Yes. Now to this letter I'm going to add the number 7. Have a rectangle. Now again I'm going to take the letter L. I'm going to draw a line like this. Make sure that it's a rectangle, and I'm going to draw a square. Let's try this out again. We will draw L in equal proportions and then draw a dotted line like this, and then the number 7. Alright, now again you're drawing a square and you're making in here and here, you're drawing 2 lines. And this time you're drawing a shape. Let's see this. I have a chair. Got it? You want to make this double line, you can do so. Make it thick. You can make this line thick, and you can make this line thick, and this line thick too. Now this is what gives you the structure of a chair. Right? So next one is a table. For a table you need like board L like this, and to that we're adding another line, forming, and again leave a gap and come down. Alright, and if you want to make it like a bed, you add a pillow here, and you have the pillow, and you can have a sheet down. Simple and easy to draw. Chair and a table.